What's up everyone? Haven't seen you in a minute. I hope you're all doing well. So that's right, I got a D16Y8 and actually went ahead and did it the right way this time. Meaning that I heard this motor running before I bought it. I went to a reputable shop where they actually had it in a car still, which was an automatic EX. So they went ahead and turned this thing on. I heard it running, it sounds great. But so then after I was satisfied with that, they went ahead and pulled the motor for me. And I want to say a huge thanks to my friend Dusan, who went shopping with me that day. We went ahead and did the swap in one day with huge help from Travis, Juan, and Dusan, and of course myself. So with all of us, we got it done. Check out the video. All right, you guys, so we got everyone here, Juan, Dusan, Trav. We're gonna take this thing all apart and hopefully put it back together all in the same episode. Let's see. I think we had...
Oh yeah.
Just a tiny bit more. Let me reposition. We have a... Oh, let me... cha-cha and everything.
I see your feet going. It's like you're ice skating over here. Okay.
Watch your step there.
Yeah. That's gonna be me ice skating next. Okay, so let's just
rotate. Ready? Fucking bitch. There we go. Alright, bolts. The jack. I tried to do the axles and get all that, the both sides buttoned up. I'll fuck around with all this shit. You get the headers on.
Yep. Dusan's rowing his boat.
Where are we going, bro?
No, straight to the check. Hold on, boys. I'm about to give up. Sounds like shit, man.
You know when you go out with no makeup?
Yeah.
But it like hiccups all over the place.
Yeah, we can hear it. Yeah, we're gonna take your timing. It seems to be fine when it idles.
All right, you guys, so we did it all in the one day. Thank you so much to Juan, Dusan, and Trav. With all of us doing everything, different parts, we were able to get it all done and get this thing fired up in one day. We kept looking at the clock like, oh my God, we're making really good time. But so you saw at the end there, we were really excited, obviously. Finally got a motor running inside of this car. But that was the big reason, but also because we actually ran into a problem at the end with the distributor. Now the distributor, we found out from a Z6, will not fit on a Z16Y8. The mounting points are different. So we were sitting there scratching our heads for a second, you know, like, what are we gonna do? But then we actually went and got the D15B7 off of my old motor, tried that, bam, fits up perfectly. The problem with that at the moment is that that distributor was actually on the fritz on its way out. Something is broken on the inside. So right now the car actually is throwing a code, a new check engine light code, which is the code 9. And that code refers to the cylinder position. So it's related to the distributor. What my plan is to get another distributor, hopefully out of the junkyard, another B7, and then I'll just plug it back up and hopefully we'll just run. Because you heard there at the end, like the car runs, but it is sputtering a bit. And I know that's not the case because when Dusan and I went and bought this motor, everything was running perfectly. It was inside the car. It was awesome. No, a lot of you are looking forward to hearing my reactions on the stage 3 pressure plate with the stage 1 clutch disc. So once I'm driving the car around and getting my impressions, I'll definitely be doing a video on that. Next video is hopefully we're just gonna get this thing running right, changing out that distributor. Hopefully that's the case. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Talk to you in the comments.